Hello everyone, it's me, Keno. I am the managing partner of Hacks for Growth Training and Development. I would like to share to you yung event natin this June 1 and 2 for Ormoc City is rescheduled to July 27 to 28. The reason for the reschedule is that we did not meet the minimum requirement for the venue as well as the company Hacks for Growth Training and Development. So we only received around 17 paid customers or reservations, which is very hard for us organizers as well as the restaurant. Ang problema kasi with on-the-day payment is that first, yung mga requirements or mga documents kasi na dadalhin namin, especially this is a workshop, may mga activity kits kaming dadalhin, may mga manuals kaming dadalhin for the participants. Hindi po namin kayang i-prepare if hindi namin alam kung ilan yung pupunta sa actual na araw. So we would like as much as possible na we get the idea already kung ilan yung pupunta. So by reserving, ma-prepare po namin yung materials which is we will prepare in Manila and then we will be sending it to Ormoc together with our team. Second, ang venue din, hindi din nila kaya na mag-prepare on the same day lang kasi what if marami yung pupunta, they don't have time to go to the market. Kasi need po natin i-prepare yung pagkain ahead of time, magma-market sila early in the morning para pag on the hour na kailangan na i-deliver yung snacks, pwede na, diretso-diretso na at saka yung lunch. Mahirap po yun for the venue. Second, yung venue din natin, kailangan din natin i-prepare yung tables and chairs. Hindi kasi pwedeng nagpa-reserve 10 lang tapos yung darating 50. Yung venue natin magkakagulo. Kailangan natin yung mga tables and chairs, naka-prepare na siya ahead of time. So, para smooth yung pagpasok ng mga tao, tapos tuloy-tuloy at hindi na maistorbo. So, yun po yung problem natin with Ormoc City. This is quite unique. This is the first time na nag-reschedule kami because ang daming gustong pumunta pero walang gustong magbayad ahead of time. So this is a predicament, no? It's a dilemma for us and also the venue kasi kinausap na namin yung venue. Of course, ayaw din nilang pumayag na hindi nila alam kung ilan yung number of packs because they need to prepare the venue and the food. Just like us as well, we need to prepare the materials at saka yung mga kits na ipapadala namin doon sa event. So we don't know kung what's wrong with the kasi we have enough naman to meron tayong mode of payment through GCash and through bank account. Yung iba naman ng mga business owner nagbayad naman sila through our bank accounts, rather through our company account. So I would like to ask sana if you could comment down below kung ano yung reason, especially for the Ormoc goers, kung ano yung reason ba't ayaw nyong magbayad ahead since you are paying through a company account. The company account is through BDO, and with BDO and I think the other banks, all the banks are very strict when it comes to the requirements. So kailangan legit company, they have interviews pa, they require all the SEC documents, DTI, o kung ano mang mga kailangan to open an account. Very strict sila. So I would like to ask maybe if you could comment below because we will try to find ways para mawala yung duda because I think this is just more on people thinking that this is a scam. So we're not a scam. Of course, all scammers would say that, but me personally, I'm the face of the company. As you can see, I posted myself. The company is registered since 2017. So we did 100 plus events all over the country. It's just that this is our second time in Ormoc. Gusto lang sana namin i-share sa inyo yung mga activities or workshop na andoon sa Manila. Kasi when you go kasi sa Manila, mas expensive. You have to pay for the hotel, the airfare, the food, just to attend an event. So what we did is we want to bring the event back to the provinces like Ormoc para ma-experience nung mga tao na kailangan ng mga event and less po yung gastos. So, we don't know basically kung ano yung reason. That this is very unique for us. This is the first time na nangyari na nag-reschedule kami ng event. But I hope you could comment down below kung ano yung reason for this. And if you really want to know more about the company, you can research, you can check our SEC documents online. Wag nyo na pong itanong sa amin if you think we are a scam. Dapat kayo, if you want to do research, check nyo po online kasi pwede namang i-check yan online. Second, you can visit the bank. You can ask the bank about the documents, legit ba to, yung account. Second, you can visit the venue. You can talk to the venue, yung kausap namin doon. Kasi may tarpaulin naman eh. Sila po yung naghang ng tarpaulin namin. We ask for it para makita din ng mga tao na yung event is legitimate at saka may dates para makita ng mga gustong pumunta. So please let us know what we could do. But yun nga, mahirap po sa amin as the owner of, as the managing partner of Hacks for Growth, part owner ng Hacks for Growth, and also ng owner ng restaurant. Nahirapan po both to organize an event like this na walang di namin makita kung ilan talaga yung pupunta. So let us know if do you want us to push through with the event or not, or ano kaya. We just want to bring mga seminars or other workshop na sa tingin namin makakatulong sa inyo. Other cities, we've been in other cities 5 times na, 6 times na. Iloilo, nakailang ulit na kami. Cebu City, Manila, Cagayan de Oro, Davao City. So I hope we could also do events in Ormoc City because we see that maybe our workshop can help. So let us know. Again, thank you so much and God bless everyone.